Welcome to Excel macro classes. In this video we will see how we can automate WhatsApp through Excel. So using this application we can send unlimited number of messages from Excel to WhatsApp, and you don't require to save all the numbers in your contact list. So there are few things about this tool. The one thing is there are some tricks you need to have before using this application. The first thing is you need to install your WhatsApp desktop application, which will be used with VBA. I'll show you that also. And you need to connect your WhatsApp with desktop application. So let's go and check how this is working. So first I have my Excel application here. This is my Excel file where I have serial numbers, contact number, list of contact number. You can see all my contact numbers are here, and here I have put one formula, the same formula, and this is for the status. If message is sent, so it will update the status here. Second thing is you need to have your message. So here this is my message. My original message is quite big, so I'll show you. This is my original message, which is very big. You can create messages before sending this, and you can just paste inside the cell. Okay, for me in program we have referred this particular cell, so you can put your big messages also in the same cell. Okay, and then we will use VBA to send messages from here to respective numbers. So the another thing is WhatsApp application. So in this manner you have to connect your application, WhatsApp application, and this has to be ready. Another thing is what are the code I have used behind this. I will share the link of code what I am using here, what I have written over here, so you can use the same code for yourself. The important part is the process, how you follow. This particular program helps to stop in between, because once you click on skip button on your computer, this will take rest of the action. And this is main program for sending messages, and to copy message from your cell value to WhatsApp, this will help us. I'm not going to explain how and what these codes are. I will share the link, you can go through it. So let's go and check how it is working. So now what I have assigned a macro, that macro with control Q in this file. Once I click on control Q, it will copy data message from here and send it to all these numbers. So all these numbers are mine only, and this WhatsApp is also the same number, so I'm sending from this number to this number only. So I already tried it, so you can see these are the messages you can see here. So but today whatever message I sent, I already deleted it, so now I'm ready to send. So basically this program will share 3 messages with the same thing. If you have custom messages for different numbers, in that case this application will not work. But if you have a common message and you want to send to all as a personalized message, you can use this tool as a bulk message sender without any cost. Okay, so the only one important thing is you need to keep your cursor in this WhatsApp thing here where we need to type it message, because this tool is using send keys, so it copies and throw the messages here, so it should directly hit to the right location. Okay, another thing is you need to keep open one Google page, Chrome page. Just keep it one tab, rest other you can you don't have to keep multiple tabs. Okay, now we'll go and start this program. So from where you want to start, you just keep your cursor there and click Control Q. So I'm clicking Control Q, or simply we can go here and run macros, say this one, okay, done. So it will go to the message and it will redirect here, it will type send. Again it will go to the next number, search for the link, open the link in your WhatsApp application, send message, and then this process will continue, and once it is done we will get a message here, it's completed. Okay, so this is the all process for sending multiple messages. There is no limitation from Excel to send any you can send any number of messages from here. If there is a limitation from WhatsApp, that I'm not very sure about it, so you can use this file for that. Thank you for watching this video.